In a world where fad diets come and go, there's one approach that has withstood the test of time and continues to garner attention for its remarkable health benefits: the ketogenic diet. Unlocking the power of keto means embracing a unique way of eating that prioritizes fat as the primary source of fuel for your body. In this article, we will delve into the world of keto, exploring its incredible potential to transform your body into a fat-burning machine and unlock a multitude of health benefits along the way. Understanding the basics of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that triggers a metabolic state known as ketosis. By significantly reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your consumption of healthy fats, you reprogram your body's fuel source, shifting from glucose to ketones. This shift prompts your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss and numerous other benefits. The science behind ketosis and fat burning. When you restrict carbohydrates, your body's glycogen stores become depleted. As a result, your liver starts breaking down fats into ketone bodies, which serve as an alternative fuel source. These ketone bodies circulate in your bloodstream, providing energy to your brain, muscles, and other organs. By utilizing fat as fuel, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, leading to accelerated weight loss and enhanced metabolic efficiency. Transforming your body with keto. A. Rapid weight loss. The ketogenic diet is renowned for its ability to promote rapid weight loss, especially in the initial stages. By reducing carbohydrate intake, your body enters ketosis and begins burning stored fat, leading to significant and sustainable weight loss over time. B. Increased energy and mental clarity. As your body adapts to using ketones as its primary fuel source, you may experience a surge in energy levels. Unlike the energy crashes associated with high carbohydrate diets, keto provides a steady and sustained source of energy throughout the day. Additionally, many individuals report improved mental clarity and focus while following a ketogenic lifestyle. C. Improved insulin sensitivity. Keto has shown promising results in improving insulin sensitivity, making it an effective dietary approach for managing conditions like type 2 diabetes. By minimizing carbohydrate intake, keto helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the need for frequent insulin spikes. D. Appetite control and reduced cravings. High-fat meals on the ketogenic diet can help keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing unnecessary snacking. The combination of healthy fats and adequate protein intake helps regulate appetite hormones, making it easier to adhere to your dietary goals. E. Other health benefits. Research suggests that the ketogenic diet may have a positive impact on several health conditions, including epilepsy, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and neurological disorders. Additionally, keto has been linked to reduced inflammation, improved cardiovascular health, and increased HDL, good cholesterol levels. Implementing the keto diet. To unlock the power of keto and transform your body, it's essential to understand how to implement the diet effectively. A. Focus on high-quality fats. Incorporate healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and coconut oil into your meals. B. Moderate protein intake. While protein is important, excessive consumption can hinder ketosis. Opt for moderate amounts of high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products. C. Minimize carbohydrate intake. Limit your carbohydrate intake to 20 to 50 grams per day, primarily from non-starchy vegetables. D. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial on the keto diet. 30-day meal plan in the description.